Good morning viewers, very good morning. How do you feel? Are you feeling great? So today listen to my motivation class. Listen it and share it, like it and subscribe it. And today I am going to tell you how to speak English. First let me ask you one question. Do you want to speak English? And do you want to be successful in learning and speaking English? So listen to these 2 points. They are very important for learning and speaking English. The first thing is, I have already told you, listening. How to listen? How to listen? For that you have to watch the videos, you have to play the videos, we have to listen to the speeches, we have to listen to the teachers, we have to read the English newspapers, and we have to listen to the English news, and sometimes we have to imitate also what they are talking, what you are listening, what you heard. Those sentences you imitate and practice, then it is easy for you to speak English. So for example, I will tell one thing here. A small girls, primary girls, they go to school and they come back. In the evening, they act like a teacher by covering one towel like sari, and they take one stick and make their friends to sit in front of her, and she will be acting like teacher and she speaks whatever teacher speaks. So like that she imitates and she learns some language, at least some words. So when the small girl is doing like that, why can't you do? Always you ask yourself, why can't I? Then you can do anything, everything in a successful way. So that is about listening. Then what to practice? How to practice? So you first listen to the things, whatever you heard, either videos or stories or lectures or speeches, whatever it may be. So you practice first. Without practice, we cannot learn anything. So practice makes a man perfect. So you should practice each and everything, whatever you heard, and apply those sentences and speak in your daily life. Then only it will come. It's not the matter of by hearting and all. It is the daily routine that you should speak. And for example, say English is a professional language. Wherever you work as a teacher, as in companies, as in factories, or as in offices, you have to speak English. But at home you can use your mother tongue. We are not telling not to use your mother tongue at all. You can use at home with your parents and all, and in the office and all, you can start speaking English so that you can develop the skill of speaking. So here I will give you one example. A small boy of 8, 9, 10 years old, that boy wants to ride a cycle. How he can ride in the beginning? He will be riding and falling up and down. Number of times he falls, but still he never leaves that. He will be riding until he gets perfection. When that small boy was falling up and down and learning cycling, why can't you speak English? And you are educated and you are working somewhere. So it is very easy for you to speak English by practice like that small boy. So my dear viewers, keep it in mind. You make up your mind and have a hope in you, have a confidence in you, have a self-motivation in you, so that you can speak by listening and practice. So practice is very necessary. Whatever you speak in the whole day, either in the office or with friends and all, you make compulsory that you should use English words and you should speak. And I have already told you to make friends who can speak English so that you can develop your vocabulary, you can develop your sentences so that you can use. So make a group of friends, 3-4, and sit and play the video, any story or anything, whichever you like. You make it a point, all will write in your own sentences. Then afterwards, you collect everything and correct the sentences. Then whatever mistakes you will come to know. So all the correct sentences, you make a point, that comes a meaningful story. That story you can narrate with one another, you can share with one another, then it is easy for you to learn spoken English and speaking English by listening and practice. So keep it in mind and try to speak and learn language successfully without any hesitation. Have a good day, but don't forget to subscribe my video. Have a good day.